Today we are going to get access this video relevant to French verb conjugation. That is regular verb conjugation. It is IR verb conjugation. Example, finir. This is nothing but a finish. So, je finis means I finish, I am finishing. Tu finis, nothing but you finish, you are finishing. Il finit, he finish, he is finishing. And elle finit, she finishes, she finishes and she is finishing. And on finit, we finishes and we are finishing. Nous finissons is nothing but we finish and we are finishing. Vous finissez and you finish, you are finishing. And ils finissent, they are finishing and they are finishing. Elle finissait, they are finished, they are finishing. This is how we have to conjugate IR verb conjugation, finir verb, that is to finish, in present tense. So